Hi, I'm Liz, and I am the Project Skills Mentor. On my channel, I talk about project management, the user experience, and mentorship. Today, we're going to focus on project management, and I want to take you through the Project Manager's Workbook. I want to tell you what it is, how it can help you, and how you can get a free copy from me if you send me your email address. So let's jump in, and I'm going to take you on a guided tour of the Project Manager's Workbook.
Your project work generally starts with your charter. After a business case has been approved, focus on your goal, your scope, your end product, your critical success factors, tracking, constraints, assumptions, dependencies, and risk mitigation are all here at a high level. You'll document those in more detail later. Before getting into the plan, I like to make a calendar, noting any things like away dates, holidays, and also key dates in the project. Then I'll flesh out my project plan. In the project plan, and this is an Excel example, I show the key dates. I also can estimate the days of effort. I note the phase of work, the task, and who's going to do the work. I also give status. Another way to do this is in a system like Trello, which is free. Here, I'm using an agile motif of to do, working now, and done. Each of these cards represents one of the line items you would have seen on my project plan. I can also open any one of these cards, update any aspect of it, add details to help me, like labels, and also see who's been working on this card. I can add additional information to help future people working on the card know what's the task at hand, or maybe offer some advice, document a file they need to open to look at, whatever. I can also add a checklist, which is really helpful because then I can actually detail for the user what it is that they're trying to get done, and we can track each of those subtasks as part of this card. As each of these checklist items are completed, the user can individually tick mark those so we can see what's done as part of this card and what's still open. Each of these cards can be moved as progress is achieved or moved back as progress needs to be reassessed during a Scrum meeting. Cards are easy to add, delete, and add to. You can also see this view as a calendar, and all the same access in the calendar format is available to you. Trello is a great product, and it's a free project planning device. Now let's talk about the other documents, a project dashboard, for instance. This is generally a weekly, bi-weekly, or at least monthly document that is used for the product owner, the project manager, and the stakeholders to see where the project is and what issues need resolution. The project budget is really important. Here you can see all the detail between planned, actuals, earned value, etc. You need to track all of this to understand, is your project really on track financially or not? Key to the budget is having an accurate staffing plan. The staffing plan needs to be individual with hours, but you can also see there I'm calculating the aggregates. Communication plan would be all the key moments when communication is necessary across the project or to stakeholders. The quality log focuses on all of the components of quality where we're tracking what we're expecting. The risk register focuses on what risks we have, how they're going to be mitigated, and you can see the RAG status being used. That way we can make sure that we are very clear about where our issues really are. Projects that have changes requested from users or others need to log those changes, decide what they're going to accept, what they're going to reject, or what they're going to put into a future release. All of that is done in this log.
So I hope you found that information helpful. If you'd like a copy of the Project Manager's Workbook, just see the link below. And best of luck on your project, whatever it is. If you'd like to tell me more about it, I'd love to hear from you. Just leave a note in the comments section. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.